Are you procrastinating a lot in your routines, habits, and work? Have you keep on postponing your important things of your life? Don't worry, I have a good news for you. According to a research, more than 90% of the people are procrastinating on their important things. If you keep on postponing your important things, it's very difficult to achieve great results like financial freedom, healthy lifestyle, and happy relationships. After I have tested and tried 100 plus frameworks and habits and routines, I found a simple strategy to kill your procrastination completely without ever looking back. Just by implementing that simple strategy, I'm able to build two successful careers at the same time. One is doing a software job in a product-based company. Along with that, I'm building a six-figure business online just by working from home. Along with that, I have taught this simple strategy to 1,000 plus people in the last 6 months. The results are astounding. Let us jump into that framework.
This framework has three parts. You means understand the triggers. Why you have been procrastinating? Because there are a lot of triggers that make your work more difficult. Task might be boring, task might be difficult, task might be frustrating. I mean inversing the triggers. Once you understand the triggers, it's time to inverse them. Make the work more interesting, creating a new opportunities, build reward system, etc. Then P means prove it with small wins. Action beats everything. Do small action, prove yourself with small wins that will inspire you to take big action. Small action leads to small inspiration leads to big action leads to big results. This framework can kill your procrastination completely.
Personally invite you to my brand new super productive bootcamp where I'll show you this step-by-step strategy to kill your procrastination completely with a powerful template. Just click the link below, join the super productive bootcamp which is starting from the next Saturday. After the bootcamp, you will never procrastinate again in your life. This is Ramesh Yadav, productivity expert.